All right, boys, so now we're gonna install our rear camber. So it's pretty simple. Put that in there like that. Actually, let's mount it to the car first. So I'll be having to lift up. Take away the tension. So put that board in there like that. This one in here like this. And this one here. Take this rear rotor off. This one here, you might have to play with it a little bit. Lift it up like that. It'll take that bolt there. Those could be a little funky. So these are 14. Turn this thing up.